Have you been struggling to improve your credit score? Well, the solution to your problem might be closer than you think. Thanks to the help of artificial intelligence, boosting your credit score has never been easier. Here's how it works. Using AI-powered algorithms, your credit history can be analyzed and assessed for areas that need improvement. This includes identifying past missed payments, high credit utilization, and any derogatory marks on your credit report. With this information, AI technology can provide you with personalized recommendations on how to improve your credit score. These recommendations might include paying off high-interest credit cards first, setting up automatic payments to avoid missed payments, and reducing credit utilization by paying off outstanding balances. One of the biggest advantages of using AI to improve your credit score is its ability to adapt to your situation. For example, if you receive an unexpected windfall of cash, the AI algorithms can provide you with new recommendations on how to maximize that extra cash to improve your credit. To get started on improving your credit with AI, simply find a reputable online service that offers personalized credit analysis and recommendations. With just a few clicks, you can be on your way to a better credit score and a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful financial tips and tricks.